Gusto ko yung no wonderful and talented. Thank you so much. How's everyone doing today? Wow, I love it. Are you all excited to meet our new brand ambassadors? Oh yes, it's gonna be so much fun. Hi again, my name is Superbot Eka. I'm so happy to be back on the stage and in this space because I truly miss being in the presence of our Century Tuna family. Because you know what they say, once a Superbot, forever a Superbot. So I'm so honored to be your host for today. I am super excited as well as everyone else because we will be meeting our new brand ambassadors in just a bit. And if you don't know what our campaign is all about, just take a look at the banners around us. You see stronger with age. You see being fit starts now. Because that is so true. This is the launch of Century Tuna's Best You Starts Now. Do you agree? The Best You Starts Now? Yes. Okay, but before we get the festivities started, our friends from the media, we all want to get to know each other a little bit more. So we're going to have a few icebreakers. How does that sound? Good. Okay. I believe we already have some groups behind us now for our first icebreaker, which is called What's in the Gym Bag? Very simple. Here is how it works. There will be two groups with 3 members each. Each team will be presented with 3 gym bags, and yes, you got it right. They have to guess what is inside each of the gym bags. They will each get 3. They have 2 minutes to guess correctly. So whatever's in there, they can't look, they just have to feel it out, okay? And let's bring out our 6 contestants, 2 groups of 3. Please come up on stage and join me. Ah, you're all in the crowd. Okay, come join me. Yes. So we'll have 3 each over there, group 1 and group 2. Come on. Don't be afraid, not bite. Yes, come up on stage. One, two, three. And our next group. Okay, first group. Can I get your name and where you're from, please?
Name Annabelle, I represent
From? Round of applause, everybody. And sir, thank you for joining us, and love it. A round of applause for group number 1, please. So again, you have 2 minutes to guess what is inside these gym bags, okay? Just make a pot. You can't touch it yet. Not allowed. Cheating. Okay. Ready? When I give a count, your 2-minute clock will start. Tapos no, hindi pwede open. Yes, touch lang. You have to guess what is inside. May answers ba dito? Wala. Okay, good. Ready? Timer starts now. Ayan, kapa. Ayan. And then talk amongst each other. Figure out which one it is. You have to submit as a group. Hindi siya individual group. Yeah, usap. When you're done, let me know. When you're done, raise your hands. You're at 30 seconds. Good? Okay, timer stop. 55 seconds. What's your guess? Kettlebell.
What is lunchbox?
Lunchbox.
And jumping
Jumping rope. Do we accept kettlebell lunchbox, and jump rope. All three? Congratulations, you got it right! It is a weight, a dumbbell, a kettlebell, a lunchbox, and jump rope at, what's the time, 55 seconds? 55 seconds. Congratulations to Group 1! Magaling! Okay, Group 2, please join me on stage. Okay, nasaan yung answer? Sa pala na siya. Hi! Would you please introduce yourself and where you're from?
Hello, I'm Erica. I'm from WR Houston.
Hi, Erica! Hello, Jinky! And JL! Group number 2. So, do you guys need a refresher on the rules? Okay, so you each have a gym bag in front of you. You cannot look inside. All you need to do is to guess what is in there using your hands. You have 2 minutes on the clock. Yes. Yes. They're all health related. So it's not super random. It's one category. You have 2 minutes. And the winner of this challenge is, if you can get all of them right in the fastest amount of time, that's the group who wins. Are you ready? Can we get a 2-minute timer, please? Go! I see determination. You can see them thinking. So earlier was a jump rope, a kettlebell, and a lunchbox. What could it be this time? Ready? You first. Use your mic. It's right there. There you go. A century tuna can is correct. Good job. You can open the bag to confirm that it is. It's actually very recognizable. The bag. Yes, congratulations. Next one. A plate is correct. And the last one. Not a boy. It's actually, if you open it up, it's tissue. It's paper. It's squishy, yes. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining. Congratulations to Group 1. You win the prize. You will be receiving gift bags and vouchers from Century Tuna. Wasn't that fun? Yes, okay. We will be getting more people to come and join us. Actually, everyone will be joining this next one. There we go. Go on stage for another opportunity. Congratulations to Group 1. Okay, now it's time for game number 2. We will take a deep dive into the world of Lakas Mga 90s Trivia! Yes! So you will be It's very simple. Everyone is in the game. And if you know the answer, you just have to raise your hand. Okay? And then someone will go to you with a mic. Yes, correct. Are we ready? Are we ready? Very good. Okay. What do you do if you know the answer? Correct. Let's start now. Question number 1. What is Agamulak's real first name? Oh! We have ma'am in the stripes over here. Ang bilis.
Ariel Mula.
That is correct. You win a prize. Congratulations. Guys, mabilis ang laban dito. Okay. Now we know the speed of the game. Are you ready for question number 2? Okay. Number 2. Which sport did Richard Gomez represent the Philippines during the 1995? Who first? Fencing is correct! Wow. I'm really good. You guys know so well. What? Number 3. In which 1995 romantic film did Agamulak and Lea Salonga star together? Sana ang bilis na natin ka matapos. Sana maulit-ulit. Wait, music down. Again. Gusto ko marinig. Kanta siya ng music na. Wait lang, nabulig ko. Wait lang. Again.
Sana maulit
Okay. Question number 4. What sitcom did Richard Gomez star Joey Marquez and John Estrada? Palibhasa na lalaki is correct. We are living dance here. Palibhasa na lalaki. What does palibhasa mean? Naughty! Wow! Okay, number 5. What are the first names of Agamulak's twin children? Nanalo ka na. Again.
Sunshine and Lights.
Yes, Natasha and Andres. Gorgeous children. Congratulations. Right. And on we go to our final question. Who was the leading lady of Richard Gomez in the 1995 film The Huss? That is incorrect. Cesar Rano is correct. Congratulations on getting your prize here. And once everyone has their prizes, let's come up stage so we can all take a lovely photo together. A round of applause for our two winners. Big smile. Thank you and congratulations to all our winners today. Woo, that was fun. I'm super hyped. It's time to settle down because yes, we are here now at the crux of our main program. Once again, everybody, thank you so much for joining us in this very happy and lively afternoon. We're here to celebrate our two new brand ambassadors. And I would like to reintroduce myself. Once again, my name is Superbody Inca, and I want to know what you guys feel about being fit in your old age. What's the first thing that comes to mind in your older years? What's the first thing that comes to mind? What does it take to be fit in your older age? What's the first thing that comes to mind? Exercise, diet. Yes, it's hard with kids, diba? The determination that you need, the focus, and the time management, all of that, they're so important because in each of our lives there are chapters, okay? And in each of these chapters, there needs to be growth because no matter what, we always need to strive to be the best you ever. And the best you starts now, okay? So without further ado, let us open the program with Century Tuna's Vice President and General Manager for Branded Tuna and Vita Coco Business. Please welcome Mr. Carlo Andaya for his brand talks and opening remarks.
Good afternoon! Yung lakas mo ka na yung text trivia, ang gagaling, no? Pero parang paano yung inabutan nyo? Parang babata nyo pa? Baka sa Google, pag sino ba kayo na? Sino-search lang nila. Pero ang bilis talaga. Bilis ang mga. So, I think that was really impressive for people to see that they're very much into 90s trivia ng ating endorsers. Ganito na. So, thank you everybody for taking time to join us today. So, and thank you to the media, the Century Pacific employees, and the friends of the brand for joining us today. So, my first question probably is, when we think Century Tuna, ano yung Century Tuna Superbots, ano yung una natin naisip? Wait, thank you. Mga apps. Yes, apps yan. That's part of our story, but that's not what we're all about. So Century Tuna is also about health and striving to be better every day. So in 2020, we said that every bod can be a super bod. And that's the reason why. So because to be a super bod, there are 3 characteristics that have to be present. Tignan niyo kung meron kayo nito. So what are the 3 characteristics of a super bod? Number 1, aspiration. Aspiration means you have a goal to make yourself healthier, to be a better version of yourself. So that's the first part, to have an aspiration, to have a goal. So the second ingredient of a super bod is perspiration. So when you have your aspiration and then you perspire, you work hard to get to where you want to be. So dapat nandun yung effort and dedication. So that's the second ingredient to becoming a super bod. So who knows the third ingredient? Century Tuna. So yung third ingredient is inspiration. You have to be able to inspire others to also become healthier versions of themselves. Okay, clear? Ano ulit? Aspiration, inspiration. Okay, so today we'll be sharing the story of 2 dads. So I've started their super pod journey. So in the last few months, we've worked with them to aspire to be better. And we've seen them and worked with them to perspire and to really give effort to reach their goals. And hopefully today will be the beginning of how they will start to inspire people to also begin their super pod journey, whatever their age is. So, speaking as a dad myself, so I can relate. So I can relate with our endorsers because I'm a dad, not because I'm a 90s and 80s star. Sayang, hindi ako relating myself. So as we mature, we gain more and more responsibilities. Yun yung sabi nga natin kanina, di ba, we have kids, that's why it's hard to be healthier. So yun yung nakikita natin challenge as we grow older. We have more and more responsibilities. We have work, we have to work for a living, we have to spend time with the family as well, raising the kids. And that really sometimes deprioritizes our own responsibility to our bodies. Yun naman talaga yung pinakamahalaga. Kasi wala tayong body, wala tayo, sir. Yun lang naman. So we're thrilled to unveil a campaign that inspires you to break free from limitations and embrace your full potential. So we're honored to introduce two remarkable individuals who, despite their many accomplishments, continue to strive for greatness. Ang dami na talaga nilang na-accomplish, pero naisip nila, sige, pasuhan ko itong isa pang challenge na to become a superbot. So, they harness the power of Century Tuna to harness their lives and hope their stories inspire you to do the same. So at Century Tuna, we believe that no matter where you are in life, we have the power to start your own journey towards a healthier, happier you. So age is just truly a number. Ako, wait na ako bilang lumabas na ako sa loto. Hindi naman. So join us as we unveil a campaign that celebrates personal transformation and inspires you to reach your full potential. So this campaign is a testament to our unwavering commitment to providing nutritious and delicious products that empower you to live your best life. So with Century Tuna, the best version of yourself can start today. So let's embark on this journey together. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Carlo, for that wonderful, inspirational talk. Definitely. Didn't it make an impact? It's so true. Anyone can be a superbot. Because there's something else I also like to say. You don't have to be an influencer to have influence. You have influence in your own circles. You have influence over your children. You have influence over your family. Anyone that you love can be influenced by you. And if you start positive ripples, and so positive ripples will keep on going and going and going. You don't need 1 million followers to do that. And that's something that can start with you at home because the best you can start now. Okay? So, is everyone ready to meet the ambassadors? I know, I am too. But before we step into this new chapter, why don't we take a little trip down memory lane with their stories? Please sit tight and watch this. healthy, there's only one brand that comes to mind, and that is Century Tuna. And what I love most about Century Tuna is that it has this rich flavor that does not sacrifice any health benefits. It's good for you and it's delicious, okay? It is also one of the best and easiest choices to make if you're aiming to be the best you. Isn't that right? And now for the first time ever, let's all take a look at Century Tuna's latest television ad.
That'll take a PhD. Do that, boys. Don't fit the straight. And also, good luck at now. Get in there, boys. Get in there. Works for us. Century Tuna makes eating right so easy. My protein, one more soul. That'll take a PhD. Helps reduce belly fat. Or in just one. 50 pounds down and more to go. Put it down. Don't stop now. Feel your feet right every day. Century Tuna, lots of super.
How do you like that? Century Tuna's newest ad, Lakas Mga Super Bod. We took dad bods and brought them to a whole new level because they're still dads and they've got amazing bods thanks to Century Tuna. Okay? And now we're going to be taking a little deeper dive into getting to know our brand ambassadors. So if you could please join me on stage, another round of applause for Richard Gomez and Aga Mulak. Okay, I don't mind. Right here.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Sandali lang. Kakalin ko yung forma, sandali.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, good to be back.
His best you ever is also authentic. Very good. Now, we are so excited to have you both here with us today.
Thank you.
To get to know you guys a little bit more. Based off of that ad, how do you feel? I want to know your first thoughts about seeing the TVC for the first time.
I was so happy to see the ad. I know we look good. Yeah. I knew it was sexy.
Yes.
Yeah. And we were ready. We were ready for that.
Yes, that was great. And what about you?
Yeah, kind of a feeling. There was always pressure, but I'm happy. You guys just don't know kung ano yung journey nito, but it's still ongoing. But I want to thank Century. Masaya natin yung lahat, diba? Masaya. You know, unang-una sa lahat, masaya ako na kasama ko sa Richard. First time namin na magkasama sa isang ad. In the 90s, you know, he had his own world, and I had my own, you know. Tapos ngayon, nakakatuwa na, yung pag-ikot ng mundo talaga. Sa dulo, kasama rin kami. Together. Para pinag-realize, magpapayag kayo muli. So ito kami, masaya kami na we were able to do the ad. Century, thank you very much.
No, it was fun for me talaga. Paano kasi, it was really a challenge. You know, when we started this, I don't know if you have photos of when we started, medyo we were on the bigger side. Right? But that was really a challenge that was given to us by Century. So si Aga had to lose weight, I had to lose weight. And it was not easy, but it was fun.
Masaya siya.
Yes, go on. I'm just like listening. Thank you.
naman siguro lahat, ano? In the 90s, 2000, 2010, 2015, yung mga katawan namin. And then, that was history, no? And then, umabot ako ng 260 pounds talaga at mga kilos. And I'm 5'8", 5'9", 5'10", and 5'8". When I was younger, I was taller. For some strange reason, ngayon, nung sukat ako, 5'8", siguro yung weight na dinala ko for how many years, binaba yung height ko. So, gano'n, 260 pounds ang inabot ko. So, sa amin napakalaki yung bagay na nangyari na ito. No? So, really, century. Thank you very much for challenging us. And thank you for having us here. Maraming salamat. And really, I'm also the happiest week that I've worked with a good friend of mine, Mr. Richard Gomez.
So is that what motivated you guys to like jump to the challenge? Like knowing that the two of you would be together?
It was fun kasi nag-usap kami ni Aga. The last project that we did together, when we were younger, may ginawa tayong movie before, isa Regal.
Sa liga, 80s yun, man.
80s yun.
Oo. Wala, mga lost days natin pa yun. Kasi may prime kami, 90s talaga yung prime namin. Yung prime namin, nag-iwalay na kami yan eh. Parang ganyan ang story niya. Diba? May Richard Gomez niya, pero ang tall, dark, and handsome. Yan, di ba? Rocky. Ako. Yun.
Two different brands.
Di ba na? Two different brands.
Yes, two different brands of hands.
And now together in one brand.
Yeah, don't you love that? So let's talk a little bit about your fitness motivations. What motivated you guys to keep going? Because how long was that, like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months, yeah.
almost 10 months.
You know what was difficult was starting it.
Oh, yes.
We're not teenagers anymore. So hindi na kami teenagers. We're a little older than teenagers. So when the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching informations, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes.
Correct?
That's true.
Yes.
That's
Eating
absolutely
the right
true.
food, doing the proper exercises, keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga eh. Di ba? Gusto namin makita pa natin hindi. Gusto ko makita lumaki na anak natin.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's what they say, right? Like, will you, like, I saw a quote online that said, you will die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them?
Oh, you have to.
Right? Will you live for them?
Tsaka, siguro sa lahat, madami mga kakarelate ito ng mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan. It was difficult. All these years, I was always in hiding. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which ang dapat kong weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. Sinabi lang namin, mas nakafasa sa iyo ay vlog. Sometimes nakaka-frustrate parang sa akin. Kung ganito sa akin ito, kung labas natin yun, nakahugad tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's see that for next year.
Lumuguhin pa lang ulit eh. Hindi na sila yung more time para lalo na pa-sideways. Pababa pa lang eh.
Kumukunti na eh. Diba? Saka iba rin ang masasipatan ko natin. Pag nakikita nyo, kaya nakakatuwa talaga, you guys, sa lahat ng mga tao na sa labas dito, sa loob, there's no deadline, just gotta do it really. And when you learn about it, again, mahirap magtagok sa buhay dahil sa katawan natin. Yung insecurities, marami pa rin itong mahilig ng fat shame sa atin. But, well, we deserve it. Pinabayaan natin ang katawan natin. But I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi ng goals, di ba? We're getting there.
We're getting
there. We're getting there.
So more than anything, Aga, we've always been active. No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
I was very
Yes.
much into cycling. He bikes a lot. I play a lot of badminton. I used to do my fencing thing. this was really a chance to lose more weight. Kasi I reached a point na yun yung mga 36 ko na pantalon, pinanigay ko na eh. Oo, kasi lumaki na ako eh. Naging 38, sabi ko 38, sa bigat na nito. And then reached a point na tumitingin na ako sa 39, 40.
Inabot kayo, Dobbs.
40 ko. Teka, 40. Buti lang dumating yung century. Kasi today, 34 sinusuot ko eh.
Diba? Green eh.
May proof yan ha. Mga check it out.
Huwag mo na pa-check. Sasabihin ko pa naman 30 years old ko.
So super bad talaga, diba? What a challenge it
Ano
is.
yung super bot na happens every 3 years ba yan? Every 2. Interesting.
Ano, next one.
Next year ba yan? Next year. Wow! Wait, I lost 50 pounds. What's another 52 years?
Yun.
Super bad. Tumatayo ko na yun.
No, you'll gain it again, pero in muscle naman.
Oh yes! Hindi! Super bad na. Lalabas ka na ng gawa. Yung dami namin katawan. Ganun. Tumatawain ka seryoso. Not kasi.
Oh yeah, it is.
Grabe.
You know.
Once a super bud, forever a super bud. Yes. Actually, that's where I first met the both of you. At the super
Yeah.
buds judging table.
Super dad. Muna kami ngayon. Super dad.
Still super dads then. So speaking of that, how have your families responded to your new fitness journey?
Oh, you know my wife, when she saw me lost weight, sabi niya, please don't gain weight again. Sabi niya, alam mo gwapo ka, mas gwapo ka ngayon. Kulang pa yan. Hindi pa naman kasi tunay ko, gwapuhan ka naman. Kaya pati pa, a little more. But really, more than looking good, it's really feeling better. Diba? Feeling better, feeling healthier, stronger. Yeah. Yun na, I'm almost 50. Ito na.
You know what?
I'm almost there.
Almost 50. 44 ako.
No, but really, I'm over 50. I'm over 50. But one thing I realized that at this age, you really have to work out more.
Yes.
You have to get your muscles up. And again, it feels better. I feel stronger.
It does, right? So do you guys have any advice for everyone here watching us now, our friends in the media, people taking videos, we'll be posting this as well. What is your advice that helped you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
Sa akin, I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that, oh, next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, parang ngayon, sinasabi, it's, pa-Christmas na, sasabihin na naman natin, palalabasin ko ng Christmas, January has started again, di ba?
Right.
No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, why wait?
Tama na ngayon Christmas, bibili mo na naman lahat, It's a lifestyle really. So we really changed off lifestyle talaga. And I'm happy that my wife also is very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na talagang medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while. Talagang binge ako, binge. So minsan hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin yun. And she would stop me. Sinasabi niya na, tama na yan, di ba? Parang alam mo na yung pinanggalingan mo. Huwag ka na bumalik din doon, di ba? Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman ako naman, di ba? Nung tayo na bata.
Yun.
Pag nakita mo ulit siya, delikado tayo. Sabi ko, siguro yung mga asawa namin, gusto nyo ba talaga gumandi ka tawa namin?
Alam mo, yun yung sinabi ko kay Lucy. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo Lucy, ang problema nito. Pagkakita ko lang, gumanda naman ang tao ba? Mamaya, baka naman may lalapit sa mga sa selos ka. Baka naman magkakagulo mo may dyan. Oo. I'm thinking about your mental health. Hindi kita pa ihirapan.
I love it. So very sensitive to the feelings of your families. That's beautiful. And we will get to know our ambassadors a little bit more later. So I urge you all to start thinking of your questions for our question and answer portion. Yes, we do. Hindi ba tapos? Because we have another segment right now, we're playing another game, but this time it is for our ambassadors and it is this or that.
Okay.
Yes, we will be showing categories right here. I'll be asking you guys just which one you prefer.
Alright.
Very simple, just to get to know you. And we will start with you, Richard.
Okay. This or that?
The category is snacks.
Sarap.
Category is snacks. Here we go. Apples or oranges?
Oranges.
Or wine?
Mine, I love oranges. I just love oranges.
Okay. Overnight oats or cooked oats?
Overnight oats.
Same.
Like it?
Yes, it's the best.
So can you?
Yes, me too. Me
Gusto
too.
mo yung wala?
Yeah.
Ano kayo compatible ka?
Alam mo naman. Slim! Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Yan ang sinasabi ko! Yan ang sinasabi ko! Yan ang sinasabi ko!
Mainit na ako. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Kaya talaga ako. Tapos, sige na ba?
Hard boiled egg or egg sandwich?
Okay, let's talk about eggs. Hard boiled.
Hard boiled because
Because it's hard.
it's hard. That's a great answer. Round of applause, everyone.
Nagpapawisan ako. Kinakatsawa ko.
Guys, thank you everyone. Ito. For the next same category for you, we have the different choices.
Ano tingin mo sa akin?
Yogurt or smoothie? Yogurt or smoothie?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Crackers or bread?
Crackers or bread? Bread.
Toasted.
Toasted.
With butter. Oh my goodness.
Lots of butter.
And century tuna on top. Oh, with
Century
cheese.
rice pan.
Yes. What about dark chocolate cake or carrot cake?
Carrot cake.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Sino mas compatible tayo?
Alam mo, bumabahay na kayo.
Grabe.
I like this game. And next, we move on to our next category, which is sports. For you first, Richard. Would you prefer basketball or football?
Basketball.
Bagay sa height.
Basketball, yeah.
Yes. Rowing or fencing?
I love fencing.
Fencing.
I've been a national athlete for 7 years. in fencing.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll ask you a little bit more about that later during the Q&A.
Yeah.
And we'll get to Aga next. What are your preferences in sports? We have running or cycling?
Cycling.
Cycling. Golf or swimming?
Golf.
Oh, really?
Again.
No, I was going to say they swim.
Golf and cycling.
Our next category is fruits. So going back to you, Richard. Banana or mango?
Banana.
Banana. Shake.
Banana shake.
Yes.
More butter.
Yes.
More calories.
Yes.
Stop it.
Not better. How about rambutan or lanzones?
I love Ramadan.
Me
I
too.
love it.
Me too.
Very good. Very good for the summer. And
Pero shooting namin, yung shoot namin, ng course shoot namin, may nagkatagal na solis. Parang isa sa ako na inupulo ng solis. Sabi ko, huy, nasa-shoot tayo. Kaya mo na. Bukas pa ang epekto nito. Sabi ko, bukas pa ang epekto nito. O, mano, nakikain na rin.
okay na, fruit fruits naman.
So ako, isa sa ako eh.
Oh, what about kiwi or avocado for you?
Avocado.
Avocado, yes, agree. Watermelon or melon?
Watermelon.
Perfect for the summer then. Watermelon. I love
Calories
that.
ang papalayo. Yeah.
Agree. Wait, very disciplined. Good job.
Pag-aralan mo na yun, at the end of the day, they're all healthy, but you really need to calories more.
That's true. And I think we have our final category. We have drinks. Drinks naman. Water or orange juice?
Water.
Water. Wine or champagne?
I don't drink alcohol.
Ayun, that's a good choice.
I take wine anytime.
Wine is good too, yes. Soda or milk tea?
Minty.
Milk tea. Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. And for you, Aga, we have jasmine tea or green tea?
Green tea.
Green tea. At the office.
Coffee.
Yes. Well, speaking of iced or hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Iced.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Lumalayo tayo.
Matcha or fruit juice?
Matcha.
Matcha. Fruit shake or sparkling wine?
Sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine.
Parang fruit shake.
Mashake.
Kasi pagka sparkling wine, red wine na talaga.
Sige, fruit shake, may sparkling wine.
Ayun.
Sama mo na.
Sparkling shake.
Sparkling shake. Sparkling shake.
May nasa pa pala, last category. We have under the sea. So anything under the sea. Ariel, that's your choice. Okay, agree. Mackerel or sardines? Mackerel or sardines? Mackerel. Bangus or tilapia? Bangus. Lapu-lapu or maya-maya? Ah. And now, century tuna hot and spicy or flakes in oil?
And spicy.
Spicy. Hot and spicy.
You like that also?
I do. And if you eat spicy stuff, it's better for the metabolism.
Really?
Apparently.
Let's eat more of that.
Let's eat more spicy stuff. Oh, next one.
Coldness man. Roba.
Napawisan na niya ako.
Narinig na yung coldness man. Dahil lang. Kasi boba.
Bangus belly or bangus belly?
Bones belly.
Bangus belly, agree. Galunggong or hasa-hasa?
Galunggong.
Yes, fried, no?
Galunggong. Tsaka yung, meron pa isang galunggong masarap. Yun sa pareho. Kasi, tulingan na tayo. Tulingan na. Bakit tulingan galunggong?
Ito na naman ito.
Iba ka.
Ano na naman eh?
Balik ka ako. So, hindi ako.
Pero ano ka magpapakasyo ng taga dito?
Paksin. Paksin.
Masarap yun.
Makasyo, diba?
Sushi or sashimi?
Sashimi. Sushi rin, minsan. Kasi ang may kanin na.
Oo. Real na siya, real.
Yeah.
And finally, century tuna's flakes in oil or with calamansi?
Bakit paano sa pareho na yan? So, I'll do flakes in oil. Tapos ako naman dalaga. But flakes in oil. Yung calamansi is okay din. But sa plain kasi ako na calamansi. Pwede mo din ako itong
Oh, diba?
Madami na magagawa.
Truly versatile. Well, thank you so much, Richard and
Thank you.
Aga.
Thank you.
A round of applause. It's proof that food is always a fun topic, and it's something that you can, have fun with when you are on your health journey, and it won't be so bad now, diba? Congratulations.
Sana po sa nasabi namin nakatulong po sa pagpapapayat po ninyo. Wala?
Yes.
Wala po sa nasa sa
It makes sense. It makes sense. On we go to our next. Speaking of health journeys, there is someone special who's had your back throughout this whole journey of yours.
Wala na, alis na ako rito. Huwag mo ko titigil dyan.
Natatakot na ba kayo? I'm curious to know what life was like while you were going through this rigorous training program. So at this time, we would like to bring up on stage with us someone who is guiding you every step of the way, as well as the winner for SuperBods 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big welcome to Coach Mauro Lupa.
Dahil sa akin, sa akin. Okay, maganda sa jacket. Wala.
Sabi ni Coach Marco, teka sa mga dalawa yan.
Little trivia, Mal and I are kababatans. Because his dad and my dad are best friends. I think Tito Jerry is here, right? Hi, Tito! And another trivia. Yes. Another trivia, when he won Century to the SuperBods, I was the live voiceover for that event. So I was able to announce his win. So that was really nice, yes. Thank you, wow, you're welcome. Thanks for joining us today. How are you this afternoon?
Very, very good. Thank you for having me. Of course, I want to thank Century first and foremost for giving me this opportunity to train here. It's something that I really cherish, and this experience is very special for me. So thank you, Century.
Magaling, magaling.
Yung mga training namin, yung mga wala, pag nagkawalog kami, syempre mas bata sa akin si Mauro. Ang nangyayari, parang ulo life lessons eh.
Yun nga eh.
Kung sinabi ka naman, Mauro, dapat kayo, ganyan, ganyan. Kasi sabi niya sir, buhat na po, buhat na.
We're trying to distract you.
Nasa gym na kayo. Kami na-experience namin. Ma'am, Tuesday yan. 6 o'clock. Tuesday, dumating Tuesday. Sir Goma, darating po ba kayo? Pwede na-expect na ulit.
I understand guys, I mean, you guys are so busy with all that, and just thank you for also training and giving time for fitness as well. Yeah.
So what were they like as...
Oh, very, very fun. That's what I can say. It's fun, yeah.
For giving us exercises, for teaching us how to lose weight. So maybe telephone na ako.
Picture tayo sa guys.
Oh, there you go.
Hello.
Laki mo na mo.
Shout out to Michael Jim.
Meron ba akong picture, gusto mo pakita, meron sa kanan. Meron ako talagang picture na hindi ko talaga nakahulog talaga ako. Pero nakashort sa mga. Nasa dagat ako. Ganda. Sige.
What was Mal like as a coach? What was an unforgettable moment for you?
He's got very, very, very nice guy. Alam mo si Mal kasi, he's always very quiet. Hindi siya yung mapapenta na, you gotta do this and let me out like this and all that. Pero sa sir, Mal, ganyan. Yes, sir. Mal, ano mo kasi, parang ganyan, sir, bati niya na bukas. Mal, bigyan ko Mal, 15 kilos yan ha. 15 pounds. Buhatin niya na sir. Okay na, buhat na. Okay naman, very, very nice guy. And inspiration din. Kasi pagka yung katawan niya naman, isa na, ba't ka? Kasi tabi naman siya mo. At sabi ko, ayun, sabi ko.
At saka, di ba napansin mo, alam ko na tama yung ito very effective. Why? Because you know the following day, when you feel that muscle pain, make it more, it's really effective.
My difference na. So what were the things that stood out the most and other things that he taught you?
Also, a lot.
Like how to balance.
Kay Goma, kinuha niya, Goma, dumating ka.
Determination.
Workout ako tayo.
Dumating mo nga, nasa ka na.
For gosh. But yeah, I mean, they did very, very well whenever we were working out. They've been giving it 100%. So,
Yeah. Yeah. I was gonna ask what stood out the most for you when you first met them. What was a really memorable moment naman for you when you were training them?
Yeah, one thing for sure is I really admire someone like that because, of course, they have achieved so much in their careers, in their life, and something that they're doing. And to get into a challenge like this, it's something very mental as well. So they jump to something that they don't know, and then they just went for it. So I really admire them for that.
Okay.
And experience pa rin ako, coach like kasi, siyempre yung nagtuturo sa'yo, makita mo, ganda naman naman nito, diba? Bakit kasi yung nagtuturo sa'yo, mas malaki pa sa'yo, diba? Buwado mo yun. Kapag sa akong like Mao, hindi ako naman katawan niya, diba? Bakit, sige, Mao, pakita mo sa'yo, paano ginagawa yan? Yung mga alam, sumuha ka sa dito. I'll get there. Patala, tinan mo. Oh, ha?
And he was a good
Grabe, oh. Hindi, iba talaga. Parang siya. Sa akin na parang kwento ko sa akin. Siya, nakikilala ako, nakikilala. Sabi ko, makakilala na ako dati. Iba na natawa.
Sir, buhat na po.
Diba?
Buhat na po, sir.
Ano ka ba eh? Parang dati nakita ako. Mga 30s ko, 30s. Ilan na ba na? Kasi, in his 30s. Medyo na yung iba ka. Biro lang. Ang galing-galing. Maraming salamat na. Thank you for your patience. Sa harap ako public mo yung gusto mo take interview. Your time and patience, really.
I appreciate that.
He's a man of few words. So, Coach Mao, for everyone watching naman, as the coach for our new brand ambassadors, what is your advice to everyone watching who wants to start their own journey or to be motivated or to just keep on going?
Yeah, like Sir Joe and Sir Aga, everyone's journey is not the same, right? You have to take on your own challenges. You have your own things that you do in life. So I guess it's just important that you start, find something that you love, and then from there you're gonna build your habits and all that. And of course, being motivated for yourself is okay, but in gaya ng sinabi niyo kanina, you have to be fit also not for yourself, but for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones, and I think that's a big enough motivation.
I agree. Everyone, a round of applause for Coach Mao.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that inspiring talk. Good job. He makes everything look so easy when you train with him, right?
Sabi ng mga kasi, pag ginanda ko katawan mo, hindi mo kailangan magsalita. Sabi, pag ginanda ang katawan mo, hindi mo na kailangan magsalita.
Is that so? That's the goal now. That's the new goal.
Next year.
Kaya
Next year. Magtanong ka na yun kasi next year, hindi ko ako nasalita.
I agree.
Kaya na ako next year.
excuse me, di ba?
What a great goal to have. Now, speaking of few words, let's jump on to our next game. We have another game for you guys. This segment is called Quick Talk. Okay, very fast. I will have 2 minutes on the clock. And basically, all I will do is ask the both of you, and you can answer the same question. Richard first, and then Naga. And we have 2 minutes to get through all the questions for today. Are you guys ready? Get your phones out because there will be a lot of really good answers here. Are you ready?
Ready.
And you? Perfect. Okay, let's get 2 minutes on the clock, please. Here we go. Best movie you've done.
Best movie, Hintay Kita sa Langit. Hindi na nag-isip yun.
Best movie.
Miguelito.
Kailangan kita.
Best role you played.
Best role, I played pamilya.
Ooh,
Sa iba.
very cool, very cool.
Ako, kakagawin ko yun sa akin mga pamilya.
Nice, nice.
Ang gusto namin, balik ko.
Love it.
Kasi nakatawa namin na. Ano na ka? Ano na yung libro ulit yung start? Nakita niyo yun?
Diba? Iba balik. Oh, besides Lucy and Charlene, who are your favorite ladies?
Our favorite team ladies, of course, Don Zuleta and Bella.
Love it.
Lahat sila.
Lahat. What a lovely answer.
Lahat sila.
Madala actually maraming team ladies talaga.
Difficult to choose. True. Iba.
Lahat sila. Meron ka ng personal, meron professional.
Yun!
Oh!
Oh, but we know the person.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi. Next question. Which part of your body are you most proud of?
Siguro may legs.
Legs.
Yep.
Wala. Parang siguro yung mula kasi parang yung pagiging payato dati, tsaka yung masal ko dati, was never natural. Parang always parang pinipili mo lang. Kaya nung medyo summer tayo, talagang tumigil ako sa diet, sa boka, sa hindi ako naturally fit. Medyo chubby ako, but siguro bukas.
But now, I would say, proud of your body because it's working so hard.
I'm so happy with myself now.
Yes.
There's no insecurity sa akin. Right now, I'm happy where I am. I'm happy and excited where I will be.
Yes, I love that one. Next question. What is the best thing about your wife?
The best thing about my wife is she dares to me and she loves me.
Lord, love it. Best thing about your wife?
Everything about her. Because I know my wife. My wife is my anchor. My anchor. Wala ako ngayon. It's just for me now. Without my wife there.
Support systems are so important.
So kaya.
Super.
Nagpas lang.
Workout question. Push day or pull day? Push or pull day? Push. What is one life lesson you want to pass on to your kids?
One night.
Life lesson.
One life lesson is always to. Well, I always tell Julia, my daughter, when you have to do something, always give your best.
Yes.
Para walang regrets. Always give your best.
Always give your best para walang regrets.
Yes.
Mom has always been, I've always been open about it. It's just really kindness. Just be kind to people always. Be fun, be nice, be happy.
I know.
And everyone around you becomes the same.
Okay, I like that. What's the best thing about your co-ambassador?
Oh, such a nice guy. Nakakasama na pinakamabait na naliliman in the industry. Really, nainit kami yata. Yung pinagmalalaman na tayo si Douglas. And even Douglas Carroll says, yan si Aga na yan, even when he was young, mabait talaga yan. And I'm talking about, still nice. He's really one of the best guys in the industry. Big round of applause for Aga. Thank you.
It's your
I've always since Dom talaga, I've always looked up to him. You know? He's always been, he doesn't know this, but he's always been an inspiration sa akin. Sa pagiging artista ko, the 90s, and on his prime, hindi ng parating parang
Gago talaga, magkano to.
You've always been an inspiration sa akin. Sa mga ginagawa mo, sa mga, like yung mga coffee pens mo, your sports, you're being an athlete, like that. And galing mahusay na tao. Tapos he's really parang, born leader ka talaga. Si Goma loves to lead talaga. So sinabi ko nga sa kanya, Goms, happy ako ngayon na nasa politics ka yung pinagtrabaho mo talaga yan. If I may say this, naging mayor ka, ngayon nasa Congress ka. Sabi ko, hawak mo na yan. Sabi ko, ituloy mo lang. Talagang mahalin mo lang yung tao. Nung artista tayo, mahal na mahal tayo ng tao. Natin lang sila. Ngayon nung nandiyan ka nakapwesto ka, mas mahalin mo pa sila.
Thank you, thank you.
So it's not just wishing all the best. Thank you. Tuloy na yan. I mean, ginawa nila sa Orlok talaga. Kita-kita naman eh. Hindi ko sinasabi ito, but mahal sila talaga eh. Si Lucy, bagay talaga. Bagay si Lucy, Goma, sa Congress, one day, someday soon, you never know sa Senate. Kasi, hindi sila pumapasok dyan. Tapos sabi ko, hindi sila pumapasok dyan dahil kung ano ang rason. Gusto nila ayusin talaga. Pagandahin, huwag ako bigay sa tao talaga yung tao. Yun ang nakikita ko talaga.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
And for
I
our
love you, bro.
I love you!
I feel it. It's so nice.
I love you!
Okay na, no?
I love that.
Thank you, thank you.
And for our last question, fill in the blanks. I am your Century Tuna's ambassador, and I will blank.
I will give you lots and lots of century tuna.
Yes.
I am your Century Tuna's ambassador, and I will blank.
And I will show you next year. I will not speak.
A round of applause, guys.
I will be like power. I'm not a few words.
Thank you so much for doing this little quick
Thank you so much. Yep.
It's not over because it is now time that we open the floor to our friends from the media. Do you all have your questions already?
Nasagot na lang lahat.
It was a very thorough interview. Does anyone have any questions? The floor is now open. Yes. Can we get a mic for the lady in the cute pigtails in the space ones?
Congratulations po for Gold Ambassador with Century Tuna. Ano po, what's your favorite way to prepare your Century Tuna?
Oh, there are so many ways to prepare.
Ito, maluto.
Things are like, mine, the way I prepare my century tuna is to prepare for sandwiches. Mix with some eggs, little mayonnaise, put a little pepper, little onions, and mix it well. Put it on leaves of lettuce. Get to make a good lettuce. And the second one is the basic tuna omelet. Yep.
Sa akin, rice, pasta, lagay, microwave, labas,
But you know, I prepared one time. You know, I have this go to cooking show. Cooking vlog. I got kind of century tuna. And I was, nandun ako sa one of our areas.
Oh.
Ako na makita mo naman na lemon tree.
Okay.
So, I prepared the century tuna, cooked pasta, and then bigyan mo na lemon juice and lemon
Yung halas na
lemon
lemon
juice. Yeah. No, lemon itself. It's perfect.
Eh kaya lang, kinain mo yun sa set, di ba? Subukan mo kainin sa kwarto may TV.
Then, alam mo yung ginawa ko dati gano'n? Kasi, although hindi ako umiinom, pero kumakain ako ng yung tulutan. You know one of the best tulutan natin mga century tuna, hot and spicy, and then lagyan mo lang Skyflakes. Sakto? Iniinom lang sa natin. Sarap, di ba? Come on, ladies, come on, go! Ayan o! Okay,
Mamayang gawin ka sa akin. Mamayang gawin ka.
I was watching TV sa
kain pa rin. May kain pa rin.
Mas cheese on that. Great question. Thank you. Opening floor to another one. Yes? Ma'am? Over there. Right.
Right there.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Richard Agaga. Again, congratulations on your new fitness journey. So just out of curiosity, I wanted to ask, were there any other wellness habits that you guys, of course aside from exercise and diet, that you guys have implemented into your new routine now?
Wellness, eating right. That's number one. And then wellness is about good mental health. Wellness is having a good daily routine, good daily exercises. That's what I do. I play badminton at least 3 times a week. I try to swim as much as I can. And if you have the time, do the sauna. Some sauna. Yeah.
Saan the biggest, smallest, it's like the biggest, it's like the smallest but the biggest thing. Really, I learned, aside from nutrition, you said nutrition, your workouts, it's sleep. Diyan ako talaga, yan nakita kong importance ng sleep talaga. Pagkakulang ng sleep ko talaga, kaya pa dati kasi when we were younger, parang sleep didn't matter. As we got older, minsan we feel hungry. Pag wala kang tulog, pag kulang, you're hungry. You just wanna eat and eat and eat. Pero pag complete ang tulog mo, you're okay. No? You're well rested, you have that energy and also. So yun ang siguro ko this past year, yung sleeping ko, yan talaga kaya kailangan ng event ko, pag 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, tapos na. Kahit na shooting ko, ang ganda lang. Kasi kailangan 9, 10, tulog na, yeah, sleep talaga. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that question. We have one over here in the middle.
From Jeremy. For Sir Anna and kasi before taking on this challenge, isa kayo doon sa mga parang nilook up ng mga kalalakihan na okay lang na walang abs. How do you feel about that? And ngayon nga na you're taking on this challenge, ano yung mamimiss nyo sa pagkakaroon ng dad abs? Sinasabi nyo ng dad abs?
Ano mag-miss ko doon? Parang nag-jet pa rin siya eh. So, parang naman ako mag-miss doon. Parang with all honesty, gusto ko siya tanggalin talaga. Hindi dahil sa aesthetics hindi yan. It's really about my health. Bonus na lang yung gumanda yung katawan mo. But yung lifestyle na to of having good sleep, right nutrition, exercise, na-incorporated talaga sa buhay kasama yun sa akin the most important thing. Now, if people talk to us, siguro, hindi naman sa katawan namin, but siguro sa buhay namin, sa mga nagawa namin sa buhay namin, siguro yung wala kami dapat papunayan din. Pero sa katawan namin, nawasak talaga. Talaga na ako, I'll speak for myself. Sumobra yung overweight ko. Sumobra talaga. Bordering to talagang sickness talaga nangyari sa akin. I hit 260 when I'm supposed to be 170. So, it's not nice. Not nice. So, I don't advise everyone to follow that. No.
When we started this journey, when we started this challenge, I was one January day, I was working out with Lucy. And then sabi ko, Juliana, can you take a photo of me and mom, yeah, I'm good. Landress. So, okay na. When I took a look at it, sabi ko, parang may kettlebell dito. Ang laki. And then, eksakto, tapos tayo nang dumating yung surgery. Sabi niya, there's a challenge. Yeah. So, at that time, I was almost 250 pounds. Ikaw nakita to, tamang kasi ng this. Ako yun,
Ano ba na 250?
oh, almost 250. 248. 6'2
6'2 6'1.
6'1 and a half.
6'1 and a half.
Kaya, how do you want to measure this? Standing up or lying
Hindi
down?
na. Alam ko, hindi ko mag-gets yun, ha?
When I took the challenge, nakatama ko sila ng isang sa 39 years old. Tumakot na nag-content, di ba?
But now, 24. Paano?
Baka may isip mo. Tayo na wala. Ngayon lang to, ah.
It's 34. It's 34.
Oh!
Hindi ko pa sigurado mo. Tama ba?
Oh! Buta 32! 32!
Late nun.
Galing.
Hindi ko ito pinakitawin niya.
Wala akong problema sa katawan eh.
Thank you for your question.
Question. Wala na ako eh. Sumagot ba ako? Hindi ko naman ako. Sige, sasandadan ko kasi talaga. Kailangan ko na.
Next year, diba? Practice that. Next question, please. We have one here. We have two. Oh man, it's so bright.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Denny Bernardo, filmstar.com.
Could you stand, please? There we go. Thank you.
How did weight matter in your showbiz career? Did you lose opportunities or projects because of not being in a proper weight?
No, hindi naman umabot sa gano'n. Kasi ako na mismo, they were like parang 6-7 years lang sa ako. And then as a matter of actually 2017 when I went back to doing films, I did 7 Sundays, I was overweight there. Pero ang overweight ko that was only 210. So I was able to bring that down to 170. In 2017, 2018, and then that slowly creeping creeping back to 200, and then pandemic, yan, sumira sa buhay ko talaga. Yun ginawat ako ng ganun ang But, ako na mismo hindi pa pakita. So, may nag-o-offer talaga. Ang daming offers are always there, but ako mismo I cannot work. I cannot.
I think it's not about losing opportunities. It's that there are things that we were doing that made us give way. Ako at the time I was mayor. And you know, when you're a mayor, every time mag-visit ka ng barangay, people would feed you lots of food. And pag in-offer ka ng food sa mga constituents mo, syempre hindi mo napansin na hindi ako makain na ganyan. Diba? It's natural for us that when you're short food, you eat. And that's why I gained weight. So, dumating yung time na, sabi ko, I don't look that good anymore. But I'm good pa rin. No? But sabi ko, if I lose weight, then I look better. And I'll feel better. And I am feeling much better now. No?
Perfect. It all starts from the inside.
What's my heart rate? 120/80. Not bad, di ba?
That's good.
Yeah.
Yes. Very good.
450 plus yun.
Yes.
Alam mo, wala tayong maintenance. So,
Yun, that's also so important.
Sa awa naman ng Diyos talaga, na yung inabot namin ng weight na yun, or gano'n, parang hindi, kaya kasi parang pinagbihira kami, pinibigyan kami ng pagkakataon talaga na ayusin na bago kami magkasakit, you know. And again, idagdag ko lang talaga, century, maraming sa talaga sa pagkuha niya sa amin talaga. Kasi it was really, you know, at that time I was really so depressed. I've been praying, Father, tulungan niya na ako ito, diba? Tapos dumating yung offer, ada surgery, okay, hindi ka na yung challenge at yung journey. Sabi ng asawa ko, aba, grabe naman na sa ng Diyos. Papayag ka na, may nayaman ka pa. Sabi ko na ako pumunod dyan, ewan ko sa'yo talaga. No, inawakas na talaga, maraming salamat. And it really changed my perspective now sa katawan ko, no? Eh sa mga dating katawan ko, hindi ako over-promise because I know it's gonna happen talaga. And maraming salamat, Century, dahil inumpisa akin tatapusin ko. Yun. Galing! Alam mo, agad, group up tayo.
Thank you also, Century. Thank you also. And now we are opening the floor to our last question. I know we have, oh there we go. Hello, final question from?
What's your message for those who want to start their fitness journey? Lalo na magpapasko.
This is a very challenging time for all of us because Christmas and New Year is all about food, being with family, and gathering of friends. So, what I can say is, even during this time of festivities, kailangan tuloy-tuloy na yung activity natin, working out, trying to watch our diet. No? You can eat, but do not overeat. Choose the right food. No? Kung kaya mo calorie deficit, no, against the amount of calories that we burn every day, then that's really good. That's your journey to losing weight. It's not easy. It took us 10 months to get here, but believe me, once you get that correct weight that you want, it feels so good. You feel so light, and you feel so much better, and that becomes the best you. Correct?
Yes.
Just it's gonna happen whether you like it or not. You know, sa bahay, madami nagpapadala. Madami na regalo, marami na merong tubig at isang may keso, tatlong pinigaraso, kaya umubusin yun sa isang buko. Hindi ako nagbibiro, seryoso ko. Kaya kung may makakapalod na ito, please lang. Hindi, panayin tayo. Okay lang. Sabi namin ko nga, balance lang. Tikim-tikim.
Yes, hindi ka bawal.
Hindi ka, tikim-tikim. Gusto mo uminom, may pati naman, nasa kumain. And then the following day, workout lang. Balik ko rin, di ba?
Balance.
Balance.
Yes.
Isa na, anything and everything in moderation.
Yes.
If you in moderation. So,
Because people always ask me, so hindi ka na kumakain ng rice, hindi ka na kumakain ng sweets. No, I eat rice and sweets all the time. I love bread, I love pasta.
Yeah.
It's really moderation.
It's the sugar and any fat.
Yes, sugar talaga dapat bawasan. Pero everything in one.
Whole day about 10, so I cut down about 2 or 3.
Yes. Yeah, just in moderation.
basta sa akin na, ang masashare ko lang sa pagkasa ko, sa lahat ng dagdag ko talaga. Kasi sa lahat talaga, sa lahat. Parang, sige lang. Sabi ko na, bawang lang, kumbaga. Kung gusto mo mo kaya, gusto mo ayusin, don't get frustrated. You know, ang debit talaga, lalagay ng utang natin nasa sumisiro. Okay na yan, okay na lumaki, sa buhay, ganun. It's not true. take care of your health, eat right. Your health is your wealth. Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Kung sinabi ni Aga na frustrating, I know how you feel. You try to diet, you try to lose weight, then you go on the weight scale. Sige na. Kunyari, nasimula ka 120. Wow, nakakuwalit na ako. 115 na ako.
Ano ba? Oo.
Uy, 112. Nag-party ka, nagpuyan ka.
Balik!
After that, uy, 180 na lang.
Balik na naman!
That's how frustrating, correct?
Parang 2 linggo kong pinaghirapan, 3 linggo kong pinaghirapan, isang gabi na nagkamali. Balik sa timbang. But, ito na. Huwag yun yung paniwala mo sa ating timbang. Sinasabi kasi that's water weight also. No, so minsan, nag-frustrate tayo, uy, tumaba ako ng 2 pounds, 3 pounds, remember that's all. Kasi yung iba, pag tumaba na, pag nag-weigh, nag-gain ng 3 pounds, nawawala na ng gana, di ba? So, I advise you not to not to so let's just walk around the pagkain ka na, balik ka na, pabalik yan. Importante, you lose fat inches.
Always remember, Aga. Always remember. Weight loss is always a journey. You really have to enjoy this journey.
Yeah.
No? Every moment of it, whether it's difficult or easy, enjoy it.
Yeah.
No? At the end of the day, now you're satisfied that, oh, this is the correct weight that I like, this is the weight that I want, and this, at this time, I'm feeling much better. Yun talaga, you feel better.
Diba? Kaya inspiration mo yan, diba? Ano yung sinabi ko eh? Si Papa kasi na, enjoy lang yan. Sabi ko, enjoy the journey. Alam mo ito, it'll happen. You will it will happen.
Amen.
Yes.
Thank you so much for answering the questions. Very informative, very inspiring answers, very motivating. Thank you. I'm so sure that everyone has come. Thank you guys, and thank you so much again for the questions. One last surprise, we would just like to announce the winners of today's contest, the Super Media Bud Social Media Contest kicked off this morning when everyone arrived. Before the program started, we asked you guys to post photos, post it on your social media pages, and which one of those posts had the most engagement will win prizes from Century Tuna. So we would like to call on our winners. Congratulations to Leon Rivera, Ruel Umali, Raymond Castro, Jada Aquino, Henry Esteban, Joseph Aguiluz, Leonie Sanchez, Ikay Itable, Charmaine Rodriguez, and Ray Esteves. Congratulations. Come up on stage, what a photo opportunity with our brand ambassadors.
Maganda mo shoutout na sa akin. Si Boss Greg.
If you want, Greg,
Okay, pero shoutout to sa akin. Shoutout ko sa sila.